Good morning, children. Hope you all are fine. Last day we have discussed till exercise E. Next exercise is F, that is about think and answer. For that we will provide answers for you. And today we are going to start with exercise G. All of you take your English textbook, page number 42. Take your English textbook and open page number 42. Play with words. Exercise G. Complete this table. Okay, we are going to complete this table. It's your worksheet. So you can see there are 4 columns. And here you want to find out the short forms or contracted forms of the given words. Okay, so here you can see I am. We usually use I, after that we write am. So for that there is a short form, there is a contracted form that. Here you can see I is written there in the first column. After that there is an apostrophe, then M is written there. So this is the contracted form of I am. Next you can see we are. We are. There you want to write down the contracted form. You want to write down the short form of we are. You can write it as we apostrophe R-E. Next, you can see you are. You are. For that, you want to write the short form as you apostrophe R-E. You apostrophe R-E. Then, they are. They are. Then you want to write they apostrophe R-E. They apostrophe R-E. Next, the contracted form is given there. That's. That apostrophe S. You want to write it as the expanded form of that. That is. It's easy to write. If the contracted form is that's, you want to write it as that is. Then you want to find out the contracted form of what is. You want to write it as what's. W-H-A-T apostrophe S. What's. The next one, I have. I have. The contracted form, I apostrophe V-E. I apostrophe V-E. Then we have. We have. The given answer there is the contracted form of we have. You want to write it as expanded form. And the answer you want to write we have. We, then you want to write the spelling of have. Okay. Then its contracted form you want to write it as we apostrophe V-E. Then comes you apostrophe V-E. That is the short form for you have. Then its expanded form you want to write it as you, then have. You have. Next, they have. Its short form is they apostrophe V-E. Okay, they have. So this is about the table. Here somewhere you want to find out the contracted form and somewhere you want to write expanded form also. Okay, so this is about this exercise. Then now we will move on to our next exercise, that is exercise H. Exercise H. Complete these common phrases using and, or by. You want to use and or by. First one, little dash little. Little dash little. Here you want to write by. You want to use by. Little by little. This is the common phrase we use. Little by little. Second one, up dash down. Here you want to write and. Up and down. Up and down. Third one, sooner dash later. Sooner or later. Okay, here you want to use the word or. Sooner or later. Fourth one, now dash then. Now and then. You want to write and. Now and then. Fifth one, neat dash tidy. Neat and tidy. Neat and tidy. Sixth one, back dash forth. You want to write and. Back and forth. Seventh one, safe dash sound. Safe and sound. Safe and sound. And last one, eighth, step dash step. Step by step. Step by step. Okay, so first one, little by little. Second one, up and down. Third one, sooner or later. Fourth one, now and then. Fifth one, neat and tidy. Sixth one, back and forth. Seventh one, safe and sound. Eighth one, step by step. Okay, so little by little. Little क्या होता है? थोड़ा, थोड़ा सा. तो when you are adding something, you want to add it little by little. अप एंड डाउन क्या होता है? अप यानी कि ऊपर, डाउन यानी कि नीचे. यहाँ पर जो वर्ड्स दिया गया है अप एंड डाउन, उसे जोड़ने वाले वर्ड यहाँ पर है एंड. द एंड वर्ड कनेक्ट्स द टू वर्ड्स गिवन द अप एंड डाउन. थर्ड वन, सूनर और लेटर. सूनर यानी कि जल्दी, लेटर यानी कि थोड़ा वक्त के बाद, थोड़ा वक्त लेगा वो. फोर्थ वन, now and then. now यानी कि अभी, then यानी कि बाद में. now and then. fifth one, and tidy. okay, तो ये जो दो वर्ड्स है वो cleanliness को बताते हैं. so यहाँ जो दो वर्ड्स है उन्हें जोड़ने वाली वर्ड है and. sixth one, back and forth. back and forth. आप सबने स्विंग देखा है ना? सबने स्विंग में प्ले किया होगा, तो वो कैसे जाता है? बैक एंड फोर्थ. बैक जाता है, फॉरवर्ड भी जाता है ना? बैक एंड फोर्थ. सेवेंथ वन, सेफ एंड साउंड. सेफ है, साउंड है. ओके ओके, सेफ भी है, साउंड भी है. तो ये जो वर्ड्स दिया गया है उन्हें जोड़ने वाली वर्ड है एंड. Last one, step by step. Okay, so this is about exercise H. Then we will move on to our next one. Say it right. Say it right. First one, read these words aloud. This is I exercise. Read these words aloud. There is a letter in each word that you do not hear. Circle it. Okay, here you want to circle the letter which you do not hear. आप जो वर्ड यहाँ पर आप सुनोगे उसमें एक लेटर साइलेंट है. आपको वो लेटर को फाइंड आउट करके सर्कल करना है. ओके, So first one I am going to read no. Which is the silent letter here? K. You want to circle the letter K. Second one, doubt. Here the silent letter is B. You want to circle the letter B. Third one, walk. Here the silent letter is L. Then circle the letter L. Fourth one, wrist. Which is the silent letter here? W. You want to circle the letter W. Then fifth one, half. Here L is the silent letter. Then circle the letter L. Sixth one, catch. Which is the silent letter? T. Then you want to circle the letter T. Seventh one, hour. Here you want to circle the letter H. Okay. Then eighth one, knee. Which is the silent letter? K. Now circle the letter K. So this is about exercise I. You want to circle the letter which you do not hear. Okay. Next we are going to study about prepositions. Do you know what is preposition? Prepositions are words that tell us where something is bracket, beside, under, on, in, or when something is happening after, before, during. They are placed before nouns or pronouns. Sabina came home from school. Go and play in the garden. Sit by the window. The garden is full of flowers. So this is the box about prepositions. So what are prepositions? Prepositions are words that tell us where something is or when something is happening. Prepositions are words or group of words which connects nouns to other words in that sentence. Okay. So prepositions are the words that tell us when something is, yani ki beside, under, on, in, or something is happening, when something is happening. For example, after, before, during. These all are known as prepositions. The examples are given there. Sabina came home from school. Sabina came home from school. Okay. Then go and play in the garden. Sit by the window. The garden is full of flowers. So here in these examples, the letters or the words which are there in italics. Okay. The words I will read from, in, by, of. These all are the examples for prepositions. These some words tells you about when something is happening or where something is. Mainly, these prepositions are placed before nouns or pronouns. Nouns या pronouns के आगे होता है prepositions. वो बताते हैं आपको, क्या बताते हैं आपको prepositions? Preposition बताते हैं कि जो कहाँ पर हो रहा है और जो कहाँ पर है. Okay. Where something is or when something is happening. This is all about prepositions. Examples are of, from, by, in. So you want to study the definition of preposition very well. Okay. Then next one. Worksheet exercise J. Fill in the blanks with prepositions from the box. So you can see a box is given there. Some words are given there. Those words are the prepositions. You want to fill the blanks with the prepositions from the box. So I will read the first sentence. Listen carefully. First one. It was a dull day. The sun was hidden. Dash some clouds. It was a dull day. The sun was hidden behind some clouds. It was a dull day. उतना भी अच्छा डे नहीं था. सन वहां पर नहीं था. सन वॉज हिडन. सन कहां पर हिडन था? बिहाइंड सम क्लाउड्स. क्लाउड्स के पीछे हाइड हुआ था ये सन. क्लाउड्स के पीछे हिडन था वो सन. इसलिए वो एक डल डे था. इसलिए वो एक डल डे था. सेकेंड वन, little drops of water began falling dash the sky. Little drops of water began falling. कहाँ से fall करता है? Sky से, है ना? तो आपको क्या लिखना है? From the sky. Third, Sabina sat dash the window and watched the scene. Sabina sat near the window. Sabina कहाँ पर बैठी थी? विंडो के पास. Okay, so here you want to write near. Sabina sat near the window and watched the scene. Fourth one, she could see flashes dash lightning dash the trees. She could see flashes of lightning above the trees. किसकी फ्लैशेस देखा? लाइटनिंग, है ना? तो ऑफ लाइटनिंग. कहाँ पर देखा? अबाउट द ट्रीज. ट्रीज के भी ऊपर उसने देखा था वो फ्लैशेस. ट्रीज से भी ऊपर उसने देखा था वो फ्लैशेस. ओके, शी कुड सी फ्लैशेस ऑफ लाइटनिंग अबाउट द ट्रीज. फिफ्थ वन, सबीना रॉट डैश हर नोटबुक. सबीना रॉट डैश हर नोटबुक. कहाँ पर लिखा उसने? सबीना रॉट इन हर नोटबुक. इन हर नोटबुक. देन सिक्स्थ वन, शी रॉट ए कॉम्पोजिशन डैश द स्टॉर्म. स्टॉर्म के बारे में उसने कॉम्पोजिशन लिखा. तो यहाँ पर आपको क्या लिखना है? अबाउट. शी रॉट ए कॉम्पोजिशन अबाउट द स्टॉर्म. Then this is all about today's class. Then we will meet in our next class to complete the rest of the exercises. Okay. So thank you.